I'm Chip Sparks with Circuit Brief. Let's flash through the latest tech news and buckle up, because today is a cybersecurity roller coaster. First up, a new ransomware strain just dropped, and it's not playing around. Say hello to HybridPetya. It's like the villain from a digital horror movie. This nasty piece of malware can bypass UEFI secure boot. Yeah, that's the thing supposed to stop rogue programs from messing with your system before Windows even loads. HybridPetya exploits CVE 2024-7344 to sneak past security, plants itself on the EFI partition, encrypts your file system, and demands $1,000 in Bitcoin. This is the kind of breach that can take out enterprise systems before the coffee finishes brewing. Not scary at all, right? Meanwhile, the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, is flashing red alerts over a critical remote code execution flaw in Delmia Apriso, a manufacturing operations platform built by Dassault Systems. Hackers are actively exploiting it, and federal agencies have until October 2nd to patch or risk serious infrastructure exposure. Folks, this is a core industrial control system being targeted. It's not just about data. It could affect production lines in real time. And cybersecurity is not the only thing under siege. Developers, watch your backs. A newly discovered flaw in the Cursor AI code editor could allow malicious repositories to secretly run code on your machine. The kicker? Workspace trust is off by default. That means if you open an evil repo, your system might run whatever it's told without so much as a warning. So yeah, trust nothing, especially if it seems too shiny on GitHub. Speaking of shiny, let me slide in a game changer for all the sysadmins, hackers, and tech tinkerers out there. It's called the Ultimate USB version 2.1 from bootableusb.com. This isn't just a boot drive, it's the Swiss Army knife of tech tools. We're talking 13 categories, 50 bootable environments. You've got hacking, forensics, recovery, dark web browsers, even retro gaming. It's all on one beautifully crafted USB stick. If you're building your digital apocalypse survival kit, this is your fire starter. Hit up the link in the description and snag yours before they vanish. Back to the headlines. Samsung just patched a critical zero-day vulnerability that was actively being exploited on Android devices. CVE 2025-21043 was a remote code execution flaw first flagged by WhatsApp. And yes, attackers were already out there poking holes while most of us were still browsing memes. If you're running a Samsung phone, check your updates now. This fix could mean the difference between business as usual and total compromise. Apple isn't sitting idle either. They just issued their 4th spyware alert this year, this time directly targeting users in France. The CertFar agency confirmed the campaign, but Apple isn't sharing much about who's behind it. What we do know? These alerts are becoming uncomfortably frequent. It's 2025 and your smartphone is basically the most stalked object on the planet. And before we wrap, a quick heads up for Windows users. Microsoft officially confirmed that Windows 11 23H2 Home and Pro editions are sunsetting in 60 days. So if you're still on that version, it's time to either upgrade or risk running unpatched software. You don't want to be the only one at your office with an expired OS when the next ransomware wave hits. That's all for today's Daily Tech Roundup. Malware, espionage, and tools to keep you one step ahead of it all. Chip Sparks, signing off from Circuit Brief, and I'll see you tomorrow.